Hello, I'm Ted, and today I'm excited to walk you through the Spencer Kinetix, a state-of-the-art power stretcher designed to make the work of emergency responders significantly easier. We start with its user-friendly design. The Kinetics presents an ergonomic control panel including two light indicators for the dual battery system and a push-forward button designed for all essential functions. Lower, raise, acoustic signal, and the light buttons. This one specifically allows the user to switch between steady lights and flashing mode. The power button also serves as a display indicator for the battery. The innovative battery system housed within this compartment is operating under a very unique alternating basis, making sure each battery is only used at 3% of its capacity in turn. Let's now explore the stretcher's versatility, starting with how to engage the Fowler and Trendelenburg positions. The first step is unbuckling the restraint belt. To enter Trendelenburg, locate the red button on the stretcher side, press it, then gently lift. For the Fowler position, press the secondary red button and adjust the footrest to your preferred angle. The handrails are adjustable to 3 positions for maximum convenience. First position, fully raised. Second, bariatric. Third, fully lowered for patient transfer. The IV holder is foldable and adjustable, and it's able to hold up to 4 kilograms. The backrest can be adjusted into different positions thanks to the red handle. Once the backrest is lifted, you can shorten the length of the stretcher by retracting the telescopic handles. The backrest comes with a padded headrest, which can be extended for taller people or easily removed. Let's now look at some features at the bottom. In order to engage the wheel brakes, the rear ones, you push down with your foot to lock it, and then you push up to unlock it. The red lever located above the rear wheels allows for 360 degrees rotation. By pressing on the central foot pedal, you can lock the front wheels in place. Being equipped with dual batteries, the Kinetics stretcher is designed to remain operational for long. However, in case of power depletion or mechanical concerns, rest assured, manual operation is seamlessly accessible. Simply engage the red emergency strap, ensuring patient safety and making sure the stretcher functionality remains unchanged. Now we're going to show you where the charging pins are located. Once placed securely in the ambulance, the stretcher taps into its power source within the rail and the ambulance, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Meet the Rail, our innovative 10G support structure specifically engineered for the Kinetics stretcher. It is available with or without dedicated compartments for additional equipment like spine boards or scoop stretchers. Here's how to seamlessly integrate the stretcher with the rail for secure ambulance transport. Initiate by disengaging the rail using the red lever and pulling outward until it fully extends. This is signaled by a click sound and the green indicator on the right side. The loading process is quite easy. Here's how you do it. First off, you elevate the stretcher above the rail. Once you've done so, you align it. And now you lower it gently. Push the red lever on the side of the rail. Keep pushing the stretcher inside the vehicle until you hear a mechanical click. And now with the unloading procedure. To safely unload Kinetics, start by assessing the battery status. Assuming power sufficiency, disengage the red lever and smoothly extract the stretcher. By pressing the dedicated button, the stretcher legs are deployed, allowing the stretcher to be fully disengaged from the rail. In today's session, we've unveiled the simplicity and enhanced safety of operating the stretcher Kinetics for patient handling and transport. Should you require further clarification or wish to experience a live demonstration, we invite you to contact us at info@spencer.it. Your confidence in patient care is our top priority. Thank you for watching this tutorial.